let's go ahead and try another trade. We're going to go to another platform because today it's all about spot trading. Yeah, and we're going to look at it across different platforms. Then we'll come back and check what's going on here, right? So we're going to come back and see what's happening to our STMX. But for now, let's go ahead. We're currently in profit because, it's higher than the price we bought it. So I'm just going to go over. Let's go over and then take a good look at Kucoin. Okay. Look at Kucoin. We're currently on Kucoin. And the same thing, I want to let you know that all these things could actually work for different platforms. So let me go to the main page, right? This is my Kucoin account. The same way we have gainers, new, and all of that, we have gainers and we have new. It doesn't have, I don't think it doesn't have, it has losers. It has new, that new is new listings, right? So we have gainers. So we can click on gainers and we'll also see that it also has its own level of gainers, and we're going to check the same thing we're doing, checking it out, right? So we're here currently on Kucoin, yeah, doing, also trying to do a spot trading event also here, right? And then we're going to check out the gainers. All right, so here we have NGL, and it has 63%. It has risen that within 24 hours change. So let's check what this is all about. Let's see whether this is actually going to work. Okay, now in Kucoin, we don't have parabolic stars. You can see that these are the indicators. It has MA, EMA, Bollinger, and it has MACD, KDJ, and RSI. So I'm sticking with the ones I know. I can use Bollinger bands. So when you see now, can you see what's going on here? When you see the Bollinger bands are enlarging, that means it's going up, right? So that's the way you know when it's enlarging, when the lines are enlarged, but when the lines are converging, right? I can see that tightening up. That means that the prices are going down. And you can see this as a pure example of this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Can you see here? The price is going down, and the Bollinger bands are 27%. Let's check that out. Okay, this is on an upward trend. Do we want to try this out? Okay, then you take a good look at other things like, the different things here. The 24-hour is currently on 0.7299. All right, 24-hour low is 0.55. Right, and what is it currently right now? It's 0.72. Oh, so it's very, very close to the upward trend, right? So, and then what's the volume? Wow, what? 188,703 USDT. That's not much, really. That's 2.83 million. The DPETs, right? But you can see it's on an upward trend, so it's possible that this. Okay, let's check the RSI. What is the RSI telling us? What is it telling us? It's at I'm not even seeing it very well. Is that 85? I'm seeing. No, that's not what I'm seeing. I don't know why this is not showing. Things, they look very funny. It very well. I don't know why, but it looks like the RSI, it's somewhere heading towards the upward trend. Do we think we can take this? Let's look at it. It's something we could do, right? Oh no, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm seeing a red candle. I'm seeing a red candle. Now, when you see that something is going really high like this, it's going to turn around pretty soon. That's exactly what's going to happen. It's going to turn around pretty soon, right? So I think we should not deal with this. All right, let's check it out. And the red candle, even though it's going up, I definitely won't choose this. It's really, it's really on the high side. And right now, what about this FTG? Let's check here. Now, another thing I need to let you know, when you see coins look like this, right, where it goes all the way up high, and then it's like it's coming and dumping down, there's something going on with BTC. Let's go and check what's going on with BTC in BTC's life. Okay, I'm going to check the charts to see whether BTC has. Oh yeah, look at what I'm talking about. Can you see? BTC dumped today. That's it. Look at it. And once BTC has dumped, you can see that. Once you see BTC has dumped, even though it's trying to get its BTC has dumped, it's gonna. But that notwithstanding, it doesn't mean that we can't do our trading. We can always do it. I'm just saying that I was just wondering why all of them were having the same, what's it called now? The same feel or the same look. Look at SRM. Let's check that one too. Let's check SRM. Let's check SRM. It's also going down, but it's not yet showing a red candle. Okay, let me open up the other options. Let's expand it. Let's see other ones we can take. Like I always do, I don't like to take the ones that are too high because very soon they will come dumping down. Let's look at this wombat. I mean, it's in pump mode. It's in pump mode. It's in pump mode. Would I go with this? Not sure yet. Let's look at this other one that is UNB. Let's look at UNB. This is bad. This is really bad. No way. Astra is going back up. Back up. But I'm not sure I have evidence that this will continue going back up. So this is the work you got to do, right? You have to keep on checking. You have to be sure, right, that you don't. Okay, look at this. Look at this. This is on a green candle. It had a pullback, but now it's now on a green candle, right? But I'm not seeing the volatility. The volatility is not an evidence that I would choose this, right? So I'm just going to go back up briefly, one after the other, checking through. Oh, this looks good. It's not like as if it's really bad. I can say that, yeah, it's like it's going down a little bit, but let's see. Oh, yeah, I'm seeing that it's on the downside. It's on the downside. You can see that the Bollinger Bands are closing up. Look at it. Once they're tightening, it's definitely changing. It's changing its feel. It's changing its feel. All right. I hope with this you are getting to see how we choose coins in spot trading, right? So this is supposed to help you to know how to choose coins. And let me tell you the truth, everything we're doing here are just basically intelligent guesses, and that's the truth. Anything can happen in the market. Imagine someone, comes with very deep pockets and wants to sell out, no, wants to buy out this whole entire SPA. The price will shoot up high, like within a few seconds. That's what will happen. But what if somebody wants to sell off his portfolio? The price will go down. That's what's going on. So as we're seeing here, the interplay of buying and selling is what's giving us this price that we're getting. Okay, so that's just the truth, right? It would be on one of my lists here. So far, this still looks like I can actually play along with this a bit. In this case, I'm just wondering whether it's on the stock points, but let's go ahead. I'll check. Wombat. I wasn't sure whether Wombat was it for us. Oh my God. Maybe we should choose Wombat, but okay, you can see that the parabolic, what's it called now? The Bollinger Bands is actually still opening up. So because it's looking like that, then what is this also looking like? Maybe we should try this out. Let me check. Let's check. Oh, but before I go ahead, we haven't checked the 24-hour high and 24-hour low. Okay, 16 and 14. Oh, and it just has 41,000. Even though it actually looks like it's in a good position for us to work with. Let's just try and do a simulation. Let's check this out. We have 50. All right. So I'm just going to just pick that up, right? When we pick that up, we copy that, and then we sell. We'll change what we have here. Oh, would it go higher than 16? I'm not sure, but let's see. Let's put 17. Let's put 17 there. And let's paste it and see. 55 cents. That's not much. That's just 1%. Will it go up? Would it look like it would go up? It looks like it would. Let's change this to 18, whether something will happen to this. Let's see what it's going to give us. Ooh, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. So if I change to 17, that's 17.5, and then I paste that there. That's $2. Wow. Is this going to work? I don't know. Let's go back to the charts. Oh yeah, see what's going on here. It's gone down. It's gone down. It's gone down. So it's already in the downward mode. And I was actually guessing that because look at that. Look at the way the Bollinger Bands is. It's looking like it's going to begin to close up any moment from now. And that's what's happening exactly. And that's why you should give it time. Let me go back to that SPA. Let's check the SPA. I think SPA was giving us some good pointers that we could choose it. SPA. Oh no, that's not it. No, I'm not good at this. I'm not going with this. So I'm sure you want me to take one. No, this is what I do. Before I choose one, I need to check every single thing. Let's go back to this highest one, NGL. This is totally closing in. No, it's already in the last mode. This is DPET, okay? It's DPET is already on the red point here. Doesn't look like we're really going to get something to use here. If not, we'll leave it and come back again. Okay, FTG. FTG looks like we can try it out. FTG. We could try this out. It's closing and now it's, let's go with this. Let's go with this. All right, so let's go with this. Let's see the, that's 16 and 12. Okay, 16 and 12. 16 and 12. It has 114,000. Okay, almost 114,000, 115,000 USDT as follow. Let's work with this. Okay, so let's go ahead and try and do a quick simulation, right? So what we have here is this amount. I'm just going to copy that, and then I'll change this to, let's go ahead. Let's just copy this cell and change this to 6.5. Let's see, 6.5. What would this give us? If we get like 1 or 2%, well, 50, well, this is not bad. This is 30%. This is actually like almost 30%. So, well, let's go with this. Let's work with this, right? So let's go with the buy. I'm just going to put in 100% and let's try and buy. Okay. So, oh, it's asking me for my trading password. I'll pause the live stream and do this for you. So let's see. How much do we have now? Okay. Let me see. Yeah. What happened was it only, we have $1.36 available. So, okay, what happened? Was it that it didn't capture everything? Oh, so I'm going to have to, I don't know whether this is actually going to go in. I don't know. Let's see whether I can still get this to sell. Let me see. Would it allow me? Or to buy? Order placed. I think I've been able to buy everything. Okay. All right. So we bought it. Let's go back and see how much we have. Let's put in 100%. Wow. Look at this now. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is going up. Awesome. Can you see what I am seeing here? Oh my God. Let's go ahead and sell. Beautiful. Did I make? Oh, I'm currently in the queue. I thought it. Let's cancel this, right? Look at what's going on here. Look at what's going on here. We can actually make profit. Let's go. We can act because right now, see, we're able to make profit, but because I just want to get this sold, right? Let's see. Let's go back and click on sell and choose a lower price. Then you can see. Look at what's going on here. Oh no, we're gonna be in a loss, okay? But look at this, right? You can see now that, see what's going on. Oh, what's going on here? What is going on here? Okay. All right, see, if we pick the entire thing, oh yeah. So see what's going on here. We have 31065, right? So we're actually just going back. Let's go and check what's going on in the charts. Oh, what's going on here? It actually went up higher. Did it? Yeah, it did. So let me just refresh it one more time. Let's go back. Let's go back and sell. So I'm just going to change this to, see what it is. Can you see? This is it. This is the current price. We're supposed to click on that price. Can you see? Oh, we're going to have, that's just 7 cents. Currently, it's in profit though, but that's not much. So I'm just going to have to change that price. Let's go back. Let's refresh and then put that price in there. That's 61 what? Let's put 14 and let's see whether we can get that. Let's see what we'll get. 13 cents. Nah, I don't want that. Okay. So let's go back and put it at 6162. Let's check what was the highest high. What was the 24-hour high? That's 1650. Okay. So we can actually choose something else. Let's choose 16.4. Let's see. If we choose 16.4, let's leave it at that. Let's put that in the queue. Let's see. So we're currently in the queue right now. We're currently in the queue. There's a chart. So it's still going up. It's still going up. We're currently here. Let's see how this will work. Okay. So for now, we've placed 2 trades. We've placed one in Binance. We'll go back and check that currently and see what's going on here. Let's go. Let's calculate it. So that maybe my calculations are getting the best of me. So let's calculate it so that we'll be sure. Right. So let's go ahead. $50 times 2% is what? Oh, can you just imagine that? 2% is what? All right. So times 1% is what? 55 cents. So don't mind me, I was just giving you wrong calculations. Actually, 0.55 would give us, so that 90 something cent was almost like 1.8. That should be 1.8. Yeah, that's like 1.8%. Let's get back. Let's get back into what we were doing. All right. So that would actually be 1.8% thereabout. Okay, that's what it's going to give us. So we'll cover this. Like I said, all of these we don't necessarily have to finish them all up today, right? I'm definitely going to do separate videos to finish them all up, or I'll come back live and get them finished, right? So we've done this, right? Let's go back and check what's happening in Binance.